we got a scrubber here. I'm going to show you how to use this green bag to clean your laundry while camping. It opens up, as you can see, I wrote it up really tiny, and then it opens up about this big. It actually has the instruction on here to show you how each step is supposed to be, but I'll walk it through with you because I've got a few pieces to do. Alright, first step, laundry bin. It shows you how many pieces you have and how much you should fill the water to. I have around 2 pieces in here, so I will need to fill the water to here. You see it's got a little groove thing inside, that's where you rub your clothes on. It doubles as a dry bag, so whenever you have dirty clothes you can just put them straight in this instead of having multiple dry bags like we actually did before. Alright, so now we have filled the water, and then all you need to do is just add a little bit of laundry liquid. Remember to use biodegradable or whatever the environmental friendly ones, because the water is going to the ground and you don't want harmful chemical into the ground. After adding the liquid, roll it from the top down until you reach to where the studs are. Close it, and then this valve, twist it open so that it can release air, and then squeeze the rest of the air out. Then close the valve so you have it airtight, and lay down, press down and roll for about 3 minutes.
It really depends on you for how long you want to rub it for, anywhere from 30 seconds to 3 minutes.
Open up, dump the soapy dirty water out, and then fill in clean water again. After filling in clean water, your goal is to rinse it out. So this time, after rolling it down, we buckle it up with air still inside, and then we start to rinse.
After we pour the water out, stretch a clothesline and we can start to hang your clothes on the clothesline. And to dry the wash bag itself, simply flip it inside out and hang it on the clothesline. And that is how we wash our clothes while being on the road.
No. There's an ant in there. Ow, there's ants. Ooh.